Hi students, in the last class we discussed about the allied angles. In today's class we will go with the problems. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. allied angles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆನ್ allied angles, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈವನ್. So after that order even, next you want to go with the quadrant. So you want to write the quadrant is depend upon the quadrant. So sorry, you want to go with the quadrant. Why we are going with the quadrant means because to write the sign, we go with the quadrant. Students, now we will solve this problem. So find the value of 5 trigonometric function for the following. Is it clear? So one trigonometric function ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾವು here to find the value of other 5 trigonometric function, one trigonometric function they are given. So here which trigonometry function is given here? The first problem. So cos x is equal to minus 3/5 where x is lies in third quadrant. Since x lies in the third quadrant, x means what? X andre enu? Angle. Since x lies in the third quadrant, cos is negative. Since x lies in the third quadrant, cos is negative. Is it clear? Now you want to find the other trigonometric ratio. So let me write the other trigonometric ratios. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x. Now here sin x means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here the cos x is 3/5. So see here we have a minus here. Is it? See, so minus idru kuda don't write the minus here. So neglect the minus. Write down the numbers only. Cos x is equal to 3/5 means adjacent by hypotenuse. So like this. To find the ratio of sin x, so we need opposite side. How to find the opposite side now? To find the opposite side, we are using the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem is? So here we are writing like this: A, B, C. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Here the Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Means BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So we know that AC and BC, so we need AB. So write the AB in the left side, AB square in the left side, rest all in the right side. Means BC square minus AC square. Here what is the BC is 5 square. What is AC is 3 square. So here what is 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 25 minus 9 is 16. Means AB square is equal to 16. What is AB is? AB is 4. Here this side will become 4. If this side will become 4, so now we can easily write the sin ratio. What is the sin ratio is? Opposite by hypotenuse. Now we are writing the sin ratios here. Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos x is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan x is equal to opposite by adjacent. Is it clear? So after writing the sin, cos, tan, so cosecant, secant, cot is very easy. Just you want to write the reciprocal of this. So what is the reciprocal of sin is 5/4. What is the reciprocal of cos is 5/3. What is the reciprocal of cot is 3/4. Is it clear? Is it okay? Now, since x lies in the third quadrant, so tan and cot is positive, rest all are negative, like this. Is it clear? So this is how you want to solve this problem. This is for 3 marks. Is it clear? Is it okay? Once again I am repeating this question, just listen here. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಕಾಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪಾಟೆನಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 3 is adjacent, 5 is hypotenuse. To find the opposite side, we are using the Pythagoras theorem. ಸರಿನಾ? ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಕಾಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್, ಸಿಕೆಂಟ್, ಕಾಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್, ಕಾಸ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೆದ್ವಿ? ಸೈನ್ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ quadrant. So since x lies in the third quadrant, so third quadrant means ASTC rule. A S T C. Here T means tan. Tan means which quadrant? Third quadrant alla. So except the tan and cot, all are negative. ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Is it clear? So this is how we are done. So very easy. Is it clear? So it will be for 5 marks. ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಸೈನ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಶಲ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12, where x lies in the second quadrant. So since x lies in the second quadrant, cot is negative. In the second quadrant, which is a positive, so sin is positive. Sin and cosecant is positive. Is it? The sin and cosecant is positive. So rest all are negative. So now let me find the other trigonometric ratios. Here cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12. This is a x angle. This is a x angle. So here cot x is equal to minus 5 by 12 means, what is the ratio of cot? Is adjacent by opposite. Is it? What is the ratio of cot? Is adjacent by opposite. So to find the other ratios, you need hypotenuse. So let me find the hypotenuse. Before that, so ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x. Is it clear? To find the hypotenuse, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್? ಈಸ್ hypotenuse square BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Let me find the hypotenuse. So how to find the hypotenuse ಅಂತಂದರೆ, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is what? 144. 5 square is what? 25. 144 plus 25 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 169. So BC square is equal to 169. What is BC? Is 13. BC is 13. Here the hypotenuse will become 13. Okay na? So we'll write the ratios now. ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ratios ಬರೀತಾ ಬರೋಣ. What is sin x is equal to? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. What about the cos x is equal to? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the tan x is equal to? Opposite by adjacent. Now we'll write the ratio of cot, so secant and cosecant. So cot, secant, cosecant ನಾವು easy. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂದರೆ 5/12. ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ದು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ 13/5 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಡ್ದು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ 13/12. Is it clear? Is it easy? So now the last step. What is the last step is, since x lies in the third quadrant, ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ x lies in the second quadrant, sin and cosecant is positive. So sin and cosecants are positive in the second quadrant. Rest all are what? Negative. So cos is negative, secant is negative, tan is negative, cot is negative. Is it clear? So this is how we are solving this problem. Is it clear? Is it okay? Once again I am repeating. So once again I am repeating, students. So here they given cot x is equal to -5/12. Since x lies in the second quadrant, it is a negative. So the second quadrant sin and cosecant is positive. So here will so whatever they will give, so ಅವ್ರು ಏನನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಬಂದಾದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. ಸೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 3 marks. Is it clear? Is it okay? So take a screenshot of this problem, copy to your notes. So we'll go for the next problem. Students, now we'll go for the next problem. The next problem is sin x is equal to 3/5, where x lies in the second quadrant. Since x lies in the second quadrant, the given ratio is sin, so it is a positive. Is it clear? So let me write the other ratios. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x. Now sin x is equal to 3/5. Sin x is equal to 3/5 means opposite by hypotenuse. So if this is a x angle, for this angle this is the opposite side, this is a hypotenuse, so opposite by hypotenuse. You want to find the adjacent side. To find the adjacent side, we are using a Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem is, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Now you need AC, so keep the AC in the left side, other terms in the right side, BC square minus AB square. Now AC square is equal to, what is BC is 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is what? 25. 3 square is what? 9. 25 minus 9 what? 16. AC square is equal to 16. What is AC is 4. So this is the 4. Now we will write the ratios. What is the sin x is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is the cos x is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the tan x is equal to opposite by adjacent. What about the cosecant x is ulta of sin, andre 5/3. So here 5/4, 4/3. Is it clear? So the sin is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan is opposite by adjacent. Now the cosecant is the reciprocal of sin, secant is reciprocal of cos, cot is reciprocal of tan. Since x is lies in the second quadrant, so sin and cosecant is positive, cos is negative, secant is negative, tan is negative, cot is negative. Is it clear? So these two terms are positive, so these 4 terms are negative. Is it clear? Is it okay? So I hope people are understanding. So what I am doing, listen here. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ನ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್, ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So I think you are really enjoying these problems. So now we'll go for the next problem. Okay, we'll go for the next problem. Here we have, so tan x is equal to minus y by 12 where x lies in the second quadrant. Since x lies in the second quadrant, tan is negative. Is it clear? Now we'll write the ratio. Tan x is equal to 5 by 12 and means opposite by adjacent. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈನು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸರಿನಾ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x. Now let me write the sides. So you want to find the hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse, what you want to do, you want to make use of Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sets, ab square plus az square. Now you want to find the BC. So BC square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. What is 5 square? Is 25. 12 square is 144, means 169. So BC square is equal to 169 means what is the BC is 13. The hypotenuse will become 13. Now you want to find the ratio of sine. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse means 5 by 13. Adjacent cos x is adjacent by hypotenuse means 12 by 13. Tan x is equal to opposite by adjacent means 5 by 12. So cosecant x means the reciprocal 13 by 5, 13 by 12 and 12 by 5. So while writing the cosecant, secant, cot, it is a very easy. Just you want to write the reciprocal of this. Is it clear? The sine ratio is opposite by hypotenuse, cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse, tan ratio is opposite by adjacent. So now just we are writing the reciprocal what we have here. So here x lies in the second quadrant. Since x lies in the second quadrant, sine and cosecant is positive, so cos is negative, secant is negative, tan is negative, cot is negative. Is it clear? Is it okay? So take a screenshot of this problem. So copy to your notes. It is very easy problems. So here these problems are not a tough problem for you people. Is it clear? So once again I am repeating. So tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12 where x lies in the second quadrant. Since the x lies in the second quadrant, tan is negative. So you want to find other ratios. So first don't write the sign. Sign na ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನೇ ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Just write the sign. So 5 by 12. ಸರಿನಾ? So here opposite by adjacent means 5 by here 5 opposite 5 adjacent 12. So you want to find the hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now hypotenuse find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ 13 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. Write down all the ratios. Write down all the ratios. Now since x lies in the second quadrant, it is a negative alva. So in the second quadrant, sine and cosecant is positive, all are negative. ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Is it clear? So take a screenshot of this problem. So copy to your notes. Okay students, so we will solve the last problem of today class. Here this we have cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 where x lies in the third quadrant. Since x lies in the third quadrant, which is a positive, tan and cot. So except the tan and cot, all are negative. So tan and cot are positive. Your cos will become what? Negative. Is it clear? Since cos is negative, so don't write the sign here, just write the values. Cos x is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here what is the adjacent side? Is here the adjacent side 1, hypotenuse is 2. Adjacent by hypotenuse. You want to find the opposite side. So let me write the other ratios. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cosecant x, secant x, cot x. Now let me write by using the Pythagoras theorem a, b, c. Is it clear? So by using the Pythagoras theorem, so what we will write? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, means bc square is equal to ab square plus ac square. bc square is equal to ab square plus ac square. Here you want to find the opposite side. So here what is the opposite side is ab. So keep the ab in the left side. ab square is equal to bc square minus ac square. Here what is the bc square is 2 square. What is ac square is 1 square. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here ab square is 3. What is ab is root 3. ab is what? Root 3, means opposite side is root 3. Is it clear? Now we will write the ratio of sine. Opposite by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Adjacent by hypotenuse 1 by 2. Tan x is equal to root 3 by 1. So means cot x will become 1 by root 3. Secant will become 2 by 1. Cosecant x will become 2 by root 3. So no need to write by 1 here, because by 1 means it is a, so ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ by 1 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ by 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಕಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, secant will become negative, cosecant will become negative, sin will become negative. Is it clear? So this is how we are solving the problem. Is it okay? Once again I am repeating. So cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, where x lies in the third quadrant. Since x lies in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, except the tan and cot all are negative. So let me find the other ratios. So to find the other ratios, so here we have cos x is adjacent by hypotenuse. So we are using the finding the opposite side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Opposite side na ಯಾವ ತರ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? By using the Pythagoras theorem find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So we are finding the all the ratios. ಸರಿನಾ? So sin cos tan. So reciprocal ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get cosecant secant cot. Since x lies in the third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, except the tan and cot we are written all are negative. Is it clear? Is it okay? This is how we are solving the problem. So I hope you people are enjoyed today class. So and the problems also very easy. So ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ, ಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೈನ್. ನೀವು 2 ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ನ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೇರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ, ಸೊ ಅವರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಬೇರೆವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಬೇರೆವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನಾನು ಟೋಟಲ್ದಾಗಿ 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ. So in the next class we'll do again the problems. So we'll meet in next class. Thank you.